if uno coach alahlekelwe imidlalo A5 in a row, londo ithi lo coach akayazi lento ayenzayo.
5 yonke Fondini. Yu
Sukwanqu ufike ku5 qengeba. Bonxa ku5 icut off 5.
home and away.
Home and away 5 hayi noko coach. Sikhwelele. Ayixoxisi because if you go from 5, if you lose 5 matches in a row, u6 is a possibility. U7 is a possibility. U8 is a possibility, which means we like world record of losses kalongo. We like the record of consecutive losses which we've ever seen in the history of our club. Tina as fans, if we don't say the coach must go, sizofika world record of whatever record it is, record losses in a season. Yabo? Coach wethu, I've said this okwesibini. I said this 3 years ago ku podcast episode 20 something. The City E-Sharks coach wabo akayazi ndayenzayo.
Uthi engomoyez unxibe iface kaOkaman.
Yabo? Kunantsika uMoyes ubhetere yazi.
David Moyes.
No, in 20 phaka Manchester khona na coach Manchester United. Thongibani na coach na. After Van Gaal man, this coach unenkai Ten Hag, yabona Ten Hag? Siphethe Ten Hag. Yabo? Ten Hag unala philosophy mos. I've got this philosophy of soccer attacking football. Ackerman, I've got this philosophy of attacking rugby. 3 on the field. I fail. Where is it? EP? I pop. Hence.